Hello everyone, this is Raman sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video, we are going to solve one of the most important problem from the chapter Binomial Theorem from class 12. Here we go. Dear students, the question is find the middle term in the expansion of 2x plus 1 by 2x whole power 10. So let's solve it. Dear students, at first we have to suppose the given binomial expression 2x plus 1 by 2x whole power 10 as a plus x power n. Let's suppose let 2x plus 1 by 2x 2x plus 1 by 2x whole power 10 equals a plus x whole power n, where a is the first term, the value of a is 2x, therefore a means 2x and x means 1 by 2x, so x means 1 by 2x, so that we can easily put the value in the formula. So dear students, to find the middle terms, at first we have to determine the total number of terms of the given binomial expansion. We know the formula of the total number of terms of a binomial expansion is n plus 1. That means if we add 1 in the power of the given binomial expression, then we get the total number of terms. The total number of terms is denoted by capital N. So n is equal to n plus 1. This gives us total number of terms of the given binomial expression. So the value of n is, n means 10, n means the power of the given binomial expression. If we put the value of n equals to 10, then we get 10 plus 1 equals to 11. So dear students, in the binomial expansion of 2x plus 1 by 2x whole power 10, altogether there are 11 terms. Altogether there are 11 terms, which is odd. 11 is the odd number. So we have got altogether 11 terms in the binomial expansion of 2x plus 1 by 2x power 10. Now if the total number of terms is odd, then there is only one middle term. We know if the total number of terms is even, then there are two middle terms. So here in this case, the total number of terms is 11, which is odd. So if there is odd, there is only one middle term. Let's use the formula now to find the middle term of the given binomial expansion. So dear students, we know that the formula of middle term in the case of the number of terms is odd is given by middle term is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 ts term, n plus 1 divided by 2 ts term, which is same as the formula of median in statistics. But we have to keep in the mind, if the number of terms is odd, in that case only we use the formula of middle term equals n plus 1 by 2 ts term. But when the number of terms is even, then the two middle terms are given by the formula n by 2 ts term and 1 n by 2 plus 1 ts term. So dear students, please keep in the mind, in which case we have to find just one middle term and use the formula n plus 1 by 2 ts term, and in which condition we have to use the formula n by 2 ts term and n by 2 plus 1 ts term. So this formula is when the number of terms is even, but we have the number of terms of the given binomial expansion is odd. So we have to use the formula. So we have to use the formula of middle term n plus 1 by 2 ts term. The value of n is 11. 11 plus 1 by 2 ts term. The value of n is that means total number of terms is 11. So we have to put the value of n 11. 11 plus 1 divided by 2, we get 12 by 2 ts term. 12 divided by 2, we get 6 term. So dear students, the middle term of the given binomial expansion is the 6th term. So we are going to find out now 6th term. To find the 6th term, now we are going to use the formula of general term of the binomial expansion. Dear students, we know that the general term of the binomial expansion of a plus x power n is given by the formula tr plus 1 equals to cnr a power n minus r x power r. So by using this formula, we'll get the 6th term, that means the middle term of the given binomial expansion. So let's use the formula of the general term. Tr plus 1 is equal to cnr a to the power n minus r x to the power r. So now we are going to put the value of n, r, a and x. So dear students, so let's put the value of r equals to 5 because we have to find out the 6th term. So if we put r value 5, then 5 plus 1 will be 6. So this will give us the 6th term. So by putting r value 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, we get t6, that means 6th term, and c and r. So dear students, our binomial expression is 2x plus 1 by 2x whole power 10. So our binomial expression is 2x plus 1 by 2x power 10. And this we have supposed as a plus x power n. So let's put the value of n. N means power, the power of the given binomial expression. So the value of n means 10. So let's put the value of n. N means 10 in the formula. 10, r means 5, and a means the first term of the given binomial expression. The value of a is 2x. So we'll put the value of a 2x, and n minus r. N minus r means 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. Then let's put the value of x. X means 1 by 2x in our binomial expression. 1 by 2x. So putting the value of x means 1 by 2x, and power is r, x power r. The value of r is 5. So let's put the value of r 5. So dear students, now by doing simple calculation, we'll get the 6th term, which will be our middle term of the given binomial expression. The value of c 10, 5. We have got now two choices, two ways. We have got two options to find the value of c 10, 5. Either we can use the formula of combination. So we know that the formula of combination c and r is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So dear students, to find the value of c 10, 5, we can use the formula of combination. So let's write on n factorial. N means 10 factorial. N minus r means 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 factorial. R factorial means the value of r is 5. So 5 factorial. Now 2x power 10 minus 5 means 5 into 1 by 2x power 5. 1 power 5 is 1, so keeping 1 as it is. Now 2x power 5 and 2x power 5 both are same. So dear students, now by doing the calculation, we get the value of the 6th term. So 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 5, that means 5 factorial into 5 factorial. So the value of this by using calculator will get 252. So dear students, this is the 6th term of the given binomial expansion, or we can say this is the middle term. According to the question, this is the middle term of the binomial expansion of 2x plus 1 by 2x whole to the power 10. So dear students, I hope you have understood how to find the middle term of any binomial expression with positive power. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video we'll meet with new content. Till then, bye, have a nice day. Thank you.